works. There you go. There's a Coughlin. Can you put it up, Garrett? There you go.
I'm always happy to make motions. Let me see if that comes back up again. All right, this is Commissioner Coughlin. I make the motion to move to recommend that the City Council adopt the SMP and CAO amendments as shown in attachment A and B, and based upon the staff report and the findings and conclusions presented in attachment C.
Is there a second?
It's Commissioner Mosiman. I'll second.
Thank you. Will the clerk call the roll?
Commissioner Mosiman,
Aye.
Commissioner Coughlin,
Aye. Sorry, mute button.
Commissioner Flemister,
I think I'm probably going to abstain because I'm just getting on the board and I really don't feel like I have the knowledge to adequately vote. So I feel that it's best that I abstain.
Commissioner Rich,
Aye.
Commissioner Tift,
Yes. Aye. Yes.
Chair Wofford.
Yes.
Motion passes with 5 yes and 1 abstention.